How to add widget to home screen on your Samsung Z Fold 6. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Here you can find the widgets option at the bottom. Tap on it. Now you can see different widgets recommended: smart suggestion, battery, camera, contact, digital well-being, Facebook, gallery, Google, weather, maps, Google photo. We select the application or widget you want to use. Here we select Google option. Tap on it. In Google you can find the sound search, routines, Google search bar, or the finance watch list option. Here we select the routines. Double long press it. Now we can see add to home screen on your device. Tap and hold it and move to anywhere on the home screen you want to set. You can see the dot icon. Using this you can increase or decrease the size of widget like this. To go to setting, long press the widget. Tap on a remove icon to remove the widget from your home screen. So quite easy to add or remove widget from the home screen. You can add weather widget, Google widget, clock widget, etc. to quickly access from the home screen. That's it. If you like it, share it.